How to find close friends on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find close friends on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram app itself, let us first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let us search for Instagram. So what we're going to do is to make sure that our Instagram app is up to date. So as you can see the open button right here. That means that your Instagram is currently up to date. However, if that says update, that means that you need to update your Instagram and your Instagram is currently outdated. So just click on update and that you will have the latest features when you have already updated your app. Once you have made sure that your Instagram is up to date, just open Instagram right here. And to find your close friends, make sure that you are on your profile page. So if you are on any other page, for example, if you are currently at the home page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so that you will be on your profile page. And from your profile page, you should see these 3-bar line icon at the top right corner. So just click on that. And you can see options right here. So if you want to find your close friends, just click on this close friends option. And here you can edit your close friends, see your close friends. So currently these are my close friends list that is included in that. So I have 4 people. You can also see the number of people at this part of the screen. And you can freely edit your close friends list from this page. So you can deselect someone so that that person will be removed from your close friends list, and you can also select from these suggested accounts and just click on done once you have finally edited your close friends list if you want. So that is how you can basically find your close friends on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.